Hi, today I'm going to show you my setup for telehealth music therapy sessions. Like my work in the clinic space, the setup changes slightly from session to session depending on what I may need. Now, some of these options may seem complicated, but can be achieved with some patience and guidance if needed. First, let's start with the basics. I use a Windows PC with Ethernet internet connection for stable telehealth sessions. For video, I use a Logitech C920 HD webcam. It provides 1080p HD video for my sessions. My audio interface is a Focusrite Scarlett 2i2. I plug my microphone and all my instruments into this USB device and send the signal into Zoom. This model has two inputs, stereo output, and headphone monitoring. For headphones, I use my Westone in-ear monitors to reduce the distractions of outside noise and to hear quality audio. My mic is a Sterling Audio ST59 condenser microphone for vocals, acoustic guitar, and auxiliary percussion. For guitar, I either use my Taylor acoustic guitar with my mic and a 1/4-inch instrument cable from the guitar's pickup into the second input for my audio interface, or I use my Telecaster electric guitar in two different ways. The first option is through my Yamaha THR10 amplifier with a 1/4-inch instrument cable running from the headphone output into my audio interface. I can also run the guitar directly into my audio interface and use the Amplitude 4 amp simulator through my digital audio workstation, or DAW, which is Ableton Live 9. This is a little more complicated of a process and requires you to route your DAW into Zoom, which I will address in another video. For piano, I use either my Yamaha Arius YDP142 plugged into my audio interface or my iRig Keys IO49 MIDI controller. I can plug this MIDI controller into my iPad to use various keyboard and instrument apps like GarageBand. Check out my video on running iOS GarageBand into Zoom if you want to learn more. The other way I can use this MIDI controller is plugging the USB directly into my computer and using my DAW, Ableton, to use an endless supply of virtual instruments like this library from Sample Tank. When put all together, my workspace may look something like this. What's your setup for telehealth music therapy sessions? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more resources coming soon.